Hi everyone, welcome back, and today is the 31st of May 2021, and so I'm doing a update on my account. And because today is a US public holiday, so the stock market is not open. And so let's take a look at my current account. So you can see that I'm now at $62,195. In the thing or swim here is showing a loss of $782 for the year, but I've done my own spreadsheet calculation, so I have lost about $581 for this month. And this is the account status. On the 30th of April last month, I was at 62,776, and this month, at this moment, I'm at 62,195. So I've lost 581 for the month, and for the year, I'm down about 2.8% because I take the value from here, this value minus this value, so I lost about, I think, maybe close to 1,006, 1,007. It was a little bit different from the thing or swim here, because this one do not take into consideration the commission. So for me, I look at the final figure, my net value versus my starting capital for the year. So I'm down 2.8% for this year. So that doesn't look very good, but I think I can recover from this easily. So I can't do any trade today because it's a public holiday. But tomorrow what I intend to do was to sell call option on all this stock that I own, at least 100 shares on Apple, AMD, BLNK, FSR, FUBO, and so forth for all this trade. So what I have done for the last 1 week is I sell some option and I roll some option. If you look at my video for, I think, video number 42 or 43, I actually sell some option on Peloton, Nio, and AMD, which I have sell pretty close, because when I'm doing the video around these two videos, the Peloton I believe should be about 100 level or below 100, and then I remember AMD was about 74. So I sell an option that is pretty close, because if you look at Peloton, I was at 135, that is my buying price for the stock, and I was selling a 115 call option. And if you look at the Peloton chart, then during last week, it was getting pretty close to 115. I was selling a 115 option. So I rolled that option out. So I roll it out to 123 that expire this week for a credit. That is important because at least I collected some money during the process of rolling. So for Nio is the same, because I was selling a 41 call, and Nio during last week was getting pretty close to 41. I don't want to get call at 41. So same thing, I rolled the Nio to 44. And AMD was okay because on Friday when I noticed AMD, I was selling an 84 call on AMD, because on Thursday AMD was below 80, and on Friday I wasn't watching the market. So if I'm watching the market, I would have probably rolled out the 84 to higher strike price. Of course, I want to roll out for credit, but because I wasn't watching it, so the AMD core expired worthless, basically the 84 core. So what I'm planning to do tomorrow is I'm going to sell another round of core, and then we'll see how it goes from there. And that will be interesting to see how I would perform in June. Let's wait and see. And I will continue to do some update. I didn't do a lot of new update lately because I was having a lot of project going on, and basically my PC crashed on me and I get a new PC last week. So right now everything is new. I get a new mic and the recording software, I'm using a new recording software. So I hope the audio and video, everything will be perfect. So that's all for today because the market is closed, so I can't do any trade. And I will continue to update the video as we progress along, and I hope you have a good holiday. Thank you everyone. If you like the video, please subscribe and share. I will see you in the next video.